Hello everyone, I hope you guys are safe and well. If you are new to this channel, my name is Nathan Philip and welcome to Nicks and Needs. In this channel, we touch upon our travel experiences, unboxing videos and some informative content that might excite you. So if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel. So let's jump into today's topic. Today we are going to unbox Zhiyun Smooth for Gimbal. So gimbals are generally used for filmmaking, videography and so on. Number one, I'm excited to see what is in it and I want to show you as well how it looks and how it is packed, and let's get a first-hand experience of unboxing a gimbal. So welcome to this video and please watch this video till the end and let me know your comment on the comment box. Thank you guys. So here is our new Zhiyun Gimbal. Let's unbox it and see what is in it. Okay, so this is our Zhiyun Gimbal and yeah, I think it is user's manual. Let's see what's in it. Exactly, this is the user manual and some quick start guide. Okay, let's go for this. What is it? It says downloading the app, reading complete manual, quick start guide and blah 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 blah, installation and so on. Alright, I'll come back to this later. Now I'm more interested to open this pack and see what is in it. Let's open it. Wow, this is the long awaited gimbal. It's nicely packed and perfectly fit in this good packaging. Alright, to start with, this is a charging cable. Oh, this is a USB-C type cable. Alright, this cable is also used for firmware update and so on. So that's the reason I think it is C type. I don't know so much technicalities of this. Let's put it back here. Alright. Here is a tripod. Yes, this is a tripod which can attach to this gimbal and then you can fix it somewhere. This is the gimbal. Wow. Alright, it is strongly built and I feel a little heavy in my hand, but still looks really nice. Oh, it has got a lot of controlling panels here and it moves so freely, and there are different dials and buttons and so on. So as you can see, there are a lot of control panels here. I mean control buttons, not panels. Once you mount your phone into this gimbal, I'm pretty sure that you don't need to touch your phone at all. That's what the user manual is saying. And let me play with this gimbal for a while, and if you guys really want a video on how to set up and how it works and a kind of tutorial thing, I'm willing to produce another video. Please comment on the comment box below, so I will make one video for you guys. Now let me attach this gimbal into the tripod and try to fix it and see how it stands. If you're a YouTuber or if you wish to produce your own videos or short films or anything, I think it is worth considering buying a gimbal of this sort. It gives you a lot of mobility. It actually helps you to use your creativity to the core. And I really like this product. Now I'm going to play with this product for a while. And if you guys really want to see any sort of an informative video about how to use a gimbal, please comment on the comment box below. So I will consider producing one for you guys. And let's do it. I will see you with another interesting video next week, next Saturday. See you then. Goodbye, you guys. Take care and stay safe.